New at 5, a cheating scandal involving emission control systems on Ram trucks will cost the engine maker $2 billion in fines.
Some Ram owners hit 1,000,000 miles on nothing but oil changes. Others get handed a $26,000 repair bill before their truck even hits 60,000 miles. Same truck, completely different engine. Today we're counting down the 3 Ram engines you need to run from, and the 4 that will literally go the distance. Stay until the end, because the number ones on both lists will change how you buy a truck forever. Let's start at number 3 and work our way down to the engine that has cost Ram owners more money, more heartbreak, and more regret than anything else they ever put in a truck. Worst engine, number 3, 4.7-liter PowerTech V8. Kicking off the worst list at number 3, the 4.7-liter PowerTech V8. This engine ran in the Ram 1500 from 2002 through 2013, and it carries one of the most infamous failure modes of any modern truck engine. And it's not something subtle. It's not a slow leak or a sensor issue. We're talking dropped valve seats. The valve seats, the metal rings that hold the valves in place inside the cylinder head, can physically fall out while the engine is running. Not crack, not wear down gradually, fall out. And when that happens, chunks of metal go straight into the combustion chamber, destroying the pistons, the cylinder walls, and the heads in seconds. Total engine loss. A rebuild runs around $6,000. A full replacement was quoted at $9,000. And if that wasn't already bad enough, this engine has a serious oil sludge problem. The 4.7 cooks its own oil if you fall even slightly behind on maintenance. Skip one oil change. Run conventional oil a little past 5,000 miles. That's all it takes. Clogged oil passages, oil starvation, and a seized engine somewhere between 80,000 and 150,000 miles. Machine shops that work on these regularly say sludge is the #1 killer they see on this platform, over and over again. But here's the part that really stings. The 4.7-liter gets almost the same fuel economy as the 5.7-liter Hemi, while making dramatically less power. We're talking 235 to 310 horsepower versus 345 to 395 from the Hemi. You're dealing with all of these reliability headaches for an engine that doesn't even pull its own weight. If you see a used Ram with the 4.7, you're almost always better off spending a little more for a Hemi-equipped truck. The price difference on the used market is usually only a couple $1,000s, and that money buys you a completely different ownership experience. The 4.7 is the engine that gives you all the problems and none of the reward. Worst engine, number 2. 3.6-liter Pentastar V6. Coming in at number 2 on the worst list, and this one is going to surprise a lot of people, the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6. This is Ram's base engine in the 1500 from 2013 to present. It has won Engine of the Year awards 7 times. 7 times. Sounds impressive, right? It has also been the subject of a class action lawsuit for repeated valve train failures that happen no matter how well you maintain the truck. Owners have a name for it. They call it the tick of death. Small bearings inside the valve train fail, and when they do, steel grinds directly against the camshaft. Metal shavings spread through the oil system and progressively chew up the camshafts, the lifters, and potentially the entire top end of the engine. And here's what makes this one so maddening. This is not a maintenance issue. Owners who change their oil religiously, on schedule, every single time, they still get the tick. There is nothing you can do to prevent it. Ram has redesigned the parts at least twice. The problem keeps coming back. One owner reported having it fixed for the 4th or 5th time at 170,000 miles. Ram reportedly had 9,000 replacement camshafts on back order at one point because so many trucks needed them at the same time. 9,000. Repair costs run $1,500 to $2,500 at an independent shop. If metal debris has contaminated the engine, a full replacement costs $6,000 to $7,000. And for all of that pain, what do you actually get? The 3.6-liter only makes 269 pound-feet of torque compared to 410 from the Hemi. That's over 50% less pulling power for maybe 1 or 2 miles per gallon difference at the pump. Several Ram owners on the forums have said the same thing. They would never put a minivan engine in a full-size truck if they could do it over again. An award-winning engine that still manages to let you down. That's why it lands at number 2. Worst engine, number 1. 3.0-liter EcoDiesel V6. And here it is. the #1 worst Ram engine ever bolted under a hood. The 3.0-liter EcoDiesel V6. This engine ran in the Ram 1500 from 2014 through 2022, and on paper, it looked like a genius move. A diesel in a light-duty pickup. Impressive fuel economy numbers. Torque without the thirst. Sounds perfect, right? It was anything but. This was an Italian-designed diesel engine, built by VM Motori, dropped into a light-duty American truck platform. And the combination of emission system complexity layered on top of hardware that simply wasn't built for real-world truck punishment created an absolute catastrophe. Let's start with the biggest killer, the high-pressure fuel pump. When this thing fails, and it does fail, it doesn't just stop working. It shreds itself from the inside out. It blasts metal shavings through the fuel rails, through the injectors, through every single fuel line in the truck. One pump goes bad, and suddenly you're not replacing a pump. You're replacing the entire fuel delivery system. We're talking $10,000 to $12,000 at a Ram dealership. That is not a typo. And here's what makes it even more brutal. These are not high-mileage failures. Owners have reported complete engine failures at 19,000 miles, 43,000 miles, 60,000 miles. Think about that. 19,000 miles. Some people don't even get through their first oil change interval before this engine grenades on them. One owner on a Ram forum reported his engine blew up 3 separate times under warranty. 3 times. The dealer fixed it. Same thing happened again. Another owner was quoted $26,000 for a full replacement on a truck that was barely worth that amount. And then the government got involved. Fiat Chrysler was caught hiding 8 defeat devices in the early EcoDiesel models to cheat emissions testing. The company paid over $1 billion in fines and settlements. And the software fix they were forced to push out? It actually killed the truck's power and fuel economy. The fix made the truck worse. Then there's the EGR cooler failures, the bottom-end problems, crankshaft tone wheel issues, oil dilution, intake manifolds clogging up with thick black soot, chronic, expensive, relentless problems that plagued this platform right from the very beginning. Ram discontinued the EcoDiesel after 2022. They walked away from their own engine. That tells you everything you need to know. If you see that 3.0-liter diesel badge on a used Ram, keep walking. Unless you have a serious bumper-to-bumper warranty backing you up, that truck is a financial time bomb. And that is exactly why it earns the #1 spot on the worst list. If you're finding this information helpful, take 1 second to hit that like button and subscribe to help us reach 100,000 subscribers. Appreciate your support. All right, we've covered the engines that will bleed your bank account dry and leave you stranded. Now let's flip the script and talk about the 4 Ram engines that are actually worth every single penny. Best engine, number 4, 5.7-liter Hemi V8. All right, the bad news is behind us. Let's talk about the engines that actually earn their reputation. Starting the best list at number 4, the 5.7-liter Hemi V8. The Hemi has been the heart of the Ram 1500 since 2003, and there is a reason it is the most popular engine in the entire lineup. It's not marketing. It's not nostalgia. It's results. Yes, the well-known lifter tick issue affects roughly 5 to 10% of these engines, mostly on the 2009 through 2016 models. But the other 90 to 95%? They deliver 200,000 to 300,000 miles of solid, dependable service without drama. A 2004 Ram 1500 was documented reaching 1 million miles on the original engine. 1 million miles. The beauty of the Hemi is its simplicity. No turbochargers, no direct injection, no complex boost systems waiting to fail. Just a cast iron block, a forged steel crankshaft, and 395 horsepower that any shop in the country can service. Parts are cheap, the aftermarket is enormous, and the engine just keeps going if you take care of it. When something does need fixing, you're not paying diesel money for parts and labor. The Hemi is one of the most well-supported engines in the history of American trucks. The one thing to watch is that lifter tick. If you hear ticking at startup, do not ignore it. Repairs run $3,000 to $5,500 at an independent shop. Catch it early and you can save the camshaft. Stick with full synthetic oil changed every 5,000 miles, not the 10,000-mile interval in the owner's manual. Use quality filters. Minimize extended idling. The best model years for reliability are 2003 through 2005 for the simplest versions and 2017 through 2022 when Ram redesigned the lifter bearings. The Hemi kicks off the best list for a reason. It's the engine that made Ram what it is today. Best engine. Number 3. 6.4-liter Hemi V8. Moving up to number 3 on the best list, and this might be the most underrated engine in Ram's entire lineup, the 6.4-liter Hemi V8. This engine goes into the 2,500 and 3,500 heavy-duty trucks, and Ram built this thing like it was going into a commercial vehicle. Forged steel crankshaft, heavy-duty internals, tested to 300,000 miles using the same protocol they use for the Cummins diesel. This is not a truck engine. This is a tank engine wearing truck clothes. The 6.4-liter makes 410 horsepower and 429 pound-feet of torque, without a single turbocharger, intercooler, diesel particulate filter, diesel exhaust fluid tank, or exhaust gas recirculation cooler anywhere on the truck. You skip every single emission system headache. You save money at the pump compared to diesel, and any mechanic in the country can work on it without specialized equipment. Owners running the 6.4-liter with the 8-speed automatic consistently report reliable 80,000-plus trouble-free towing miles, pulling travel trailers and heavy equipment. Highway fuel economy sits between 14 and 18 miles per gallon depending on your load, which beats diesel fuel costs for a lot of real-world use cases when you factor in the price difference at the pump. For 2019 and newer models, Ram includes a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty from the factory. That's how confident they are in this engine. If you want heavy-duty capability without the diesel price tag and without the diesel complexity, the 6.4-liter Hemi is the answer. It does everything quietly and gets almost no credit for it. That changes today. Best engine. Number 2. 5.9-liter Cummins. Number 2 on the best list, and this one is in a category of its own. The 5.9-liter Cummins. The engine that started the legend. The 2003 through 2007 version of this engine might be the most collectible truck engine ever produced. Clean examples with over 150,000 miles are selling for $25,000 to $40,000 on the used market. In many cases, that is more than the original sticker price when the truck was brand new. That almost never happens in the truck world. People are paying a premium for trucks that are nearly 20 years old because this engine is just that good. What makes it so special is the combination of a modern fuel injection system and absolutely zero emissions equipment. No diesel particulate filter, no exhaust gas recirculation system, no diesel exhaust fluid, no complexity. The engine runs clean, runs hard, and runs forever without any of the systems that cause headaches on newer diesel trucks. It makes 305 to 325 horsepower and up to 610 pound-feet of torque from a block that responds beautifully to performance tuning. And the known problems on this engine? They're almost laughable compared to everything else on this list. A fuel control actuator that costs about $130, a pressure relief valve that sticks occasionally, a water pump as a normal wear item. That is essentially it. The all-time mileage record for a Cummins belongs to a 1996 5.9-liter that covered over 3 million miles. 3 million miles on one engine. If you can find a clean 5.9-liter Cummins Ram in good condition, you're not buying a used truck. You're buying a legacy. And that's why it sits at number 2. Best engine. Number 1. 6.7-liter Cummins Turbo Diesel. And here it is, the number 1 best Ram engine ever made. The 6.7-liter Cummins inline-6 Turbo Diesel. If there is one engine that defines the phrase, built to last, this is it. The 6.7-liter Cummins has powered Ram heavy-duty trucks since 2007, and what it has accomplished in the real world is nothing short of extraordinary. This engine has a design life of 350,000 miles, and the real-world results absolutely demolish that number. One owner put over 1,700,000 miles on a 2007 Ram hauling recreational vehicles across the country. Another owner documented over 1.3 million miles on a 2014 truck. The Cummins High Mileage Club has over 6,700 registered trucks, with more than 90 of them past the million-mile mark. These are not outliers. This is what this engine does when you take care of it. Current versions produce up to 430 horsepower and 1,075 pound-feet of torque, making it the first pickup truck diesel to ever break the 1,000 pound-feet barrier. Let that sink in. Over 1,000 pound-feet of torque in a pickup truck. The inline-six design is a massive part of why these engines last so long. Fewer moving parts than a V8 means fewer things that can break. And this design has been proven in commercial trucks and heavy equipment for decades before it ever went into a pickup. The sweet spot for used buyers is 2013 through 2018. Those trucks got updated emission systems that dramatically reduced maintenance headaches while still running the proven fuel pump that doesn't self-destruct. Avoid 2019 and 2020 if you can. Ram switched to the same problematic fuel pump design that wrecked EcoDiesel engines. They corrected it for 2021, but the newer trucks also have a different lifter design that some owners have flagged issues with. If you're buying 2019 or newer, budget for an extended warranty just in case. Cummins trucks cost $5,000 to $15,000 more than Hemi-equipped heavy-duty Rams on the used market. But that premium reflects genuine, documented, real-world durability that no gas engine can match. If you're towing heavy and doing it often, there is no debate. The 6.7-liter Cummins is the answer. It is the greatest engine Ram has ever put in a truck, and it's not even close. So there it is. 3 engines that will drain your wallet, and 4 that will go the distance. The engine under the hood is the single most important decision you'll make when buying a Ram truck. Choose right, maintain it properly, and your truck will reward you with hundreds of thousands of miles of reliable service. And if you enjoyed the content, smash that like button and subscribe to help us hit 100,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.